In this current pandemic, the demand for increased capacity of group video call is just increasing. And WhatsApp recently improved their group video call from 4 users to 8 users, which in my opinion, I still feel is very, very poor. But unfortunately, the group video call for WhatsApp 8 users is not available for everybody. And here's why. Welcome back to Smart Depot. Today, if this is your first time of being here or watching a video, you like a video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when we bring out new video. Okay, so let's get started. WhatsApp video call has been around for a while, but earlier in 2020 they just upgraded it to group video call for just 4 persons, which in my opinion is still very, very poor. I mean, they have the capacity over 1 billion active users. Okay, so recently they upgraded it to 8 users, but the problem is that you cannot be able to call 8 persons at the same time due to some little niggles here and there. But today we're going to show you the process, how to get it to work and how to go around it. Here's how to get started for WhatsApp group video call. Open WhatsApp, go to calls, then select the add calls icon. You see option like new group call, new contact. Just click on the new group call. Then you add participants. If you're adding just 3 persons with you, making it 4, there will be no problem. You could just pick it and make the call. Later in the video, I will show you why and what will happen when you add more than 3 persons. You just make the call. As you can see, we are in a pandemic period, so wear your mask, stay safe wherever you are, take precaution. So the first person that picks on will come on, others will be ringing, and if they do not pick, they will go off, and you just drop default back to just you and 1 person. So that's the way it happens for still group calls. As you can see, they have dropped off, and now I'm just left with 1 person. This is the first and the easiest method. I'll show you a second one soon. You can actually add people while you're making, even if in a single call, video call, by tapping on the add contact icon on the top of your UI, and then you select the contact you want to add to the video call. Now everything is smooth when you are a total of 4 persons, but when you want to add the 5th person right now, that is where the problems start popping out, and WhatsApp will tell you that all participants need to be on the latest version of WhatsApp. Unfortunately, you don't even know who is on the latest version of WhatsApp or not. So I'm going to talk more about that in the video. Now let me go to the second method, small WhatsApp group of 4 persons. If you have a group of 4 persons, the video icon, call icon will be on, and you tap on it, you start making calls to every other person. So this one is easier. If you already have a team, a small team you're working with, like this is my team in the day job, so we're working on the project. So I just created this, and then we just meeting with it. So 4 persons, and very easy. So if you can also do that if you like a family or what, you could just connect them together and then work together, and always dial 1 touch. If it's more than 4 persons, you will lose the icon, the video icon. So I was expecting it should be there even for 8 persons, but I don't know what WhatsApp is doing. So video call for 8 persons is really not a thing in WhatsApp yet. I'll tell you more in the wrap up. And then I feel it's because of the integration of Facebook Messenger's chat room here. I don't know why they are integrating into WhatsApp. There are some people who are already paranoia about Facebook and privacy, and I don't know why they are putting it into WhatsApp, which has a lot of good fan base, users all over the world. So I don't know, but you can do up to 50 persons group call in chat room messenger, but if you take more than 5 persons in WhatsApp, you just get faced by that again. So you have to tell the people who you're making the call with to be on the latest WhatsApp, which is really not fair. With other people, you're making it easy: Zoom, FaceTime, Google Meet, and a whole lot of more, pushing to make video group call easier. I feel that WhatsApp or Facebook, whoever that owns it right now, should be able to allow WhatsApp users to be able to make 8 users call without forcing us to update or connect us with a chat room integration. So that's about that. So coming to chat room is really not bad. I've used it. You can make up to 50 persons call. I think close, similar to Google Meet. It looks good, but I think it's hurting WhatsApp. Let me give you a wrap up right now. So now let me wrap up this thing. WhatsApp video call is good. It has good potential. I've used the 4 user video call, but the 8 user video call, to demand that everybody have to be up to date, is very, very absurd. I mean, and then having that option to take you to chat room, which is from Facebook Messenger, is still not a good thing. People should be able to be independent and use an application within an application and do all the features. And I really want them. There's rumor that they are going to upgrade it to up to 50 users. They're going to upgrade to up to 50 users group video call. I don't know how they're going to do that, but I feel they should do more with WhatsApp video call, because a whole lot of them out there, FaceTime, Zoom, Google Meet, a lot of them out there are just taking this group video call, especially in times like this, to the next level. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Which one are you using to connect to friends, family in this lockdown, this pandemic? Which feature do you think that should be added to WhatsApp to make it better? And any other thing you want to say in the comment to us, we're ready to hear that. So make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share the video, and wherever you are, stay safe. Stay inside if you can. If you have to go out to work, take precautions, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Subscribe. I'll see you.